semiconductor ambitions have received a major boost, with Deloitte forecasting the market to reach an astonishing $300 billion by 2035. Currently valued at around 45 to 50 billion, the sector is expected to surge as demand rises for artificial intelligence, electric vehicles, data center, consumer electronics. This growth reflects not only global trends but also India's push to become a hub for advanced technology manufacturing. Central to the vision is the India Semiconductor Mission. The government has already approved $19 billion in projects, including fabrication plants and OSAT units, with more investments on horizon. Analysts say these initiatives could generate up to 2 million jobs by 2030, transforming India's workspace and industrial landscape. Still, challenges remain. Some experts question whether the country can achieve 60% local supply within the projected timeline, pointing to the need for consistent policy support, infrastructure development, and skilled talent. Despite these hurdles, Deloitte's forecast underscores the scale of opportunity. If India sustains momentum, it could emerge as a global semiconductor powerhouse, driving innovation, securing its place in the future of technology. For now, the message is clear. With vision, investment, resilience, India's chip dream is no longer distant, it's within reach.